Understanding Sound Check, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might hear often, especially in contexts related to music or events: sound check. Understanding these kinds of phrases can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's get started. A sound check is a term most commonly used in the music and event industries. It refers to the process of testing and adjusting audio equipment before a live performance or event. This is crucial to ensure that the sound quality is good for the audience. During a sound check, musicians may play some of their music, and technicians adjust levels, such as volume and tone, to make sure everything sounds just right. Why are sound checks important? They help in 1. Ensuring quality, making sure the audience hears the music or speech clearly. 2. Preventing problems, identifying and fixing any technical issues before the event starts. 3. Balancing sound, adjusting the sound of each instrument and microphone for a harmonious output. Let's see how to use sound check in a sentence. The band is doing a sound check before the concert tonight. Can you hear the guitar? We might need a quick sound check. These examples show how sound check is typically used in everyday conversation related to audio or event settings. It's important to not confuse sound check with a mic check. While similar, a mic check is specifically for testing microphones, usually by saying, check, 1, 2, or something similar. A sound check is a more comprehensive process involving all audio elements. That's all about sound check. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand this phrase better. Remember, it's all about ensuring the best audio experience at events or performances. Keep practicing, and you'll sound like a native in no time. See you in the next video.